Namaste. I am Dr. Sandeep Sahibrao Tapke from Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, heading School of Hotel Management at Pune, Maharashtra, India. On behalf of National Education Forum, I would like to share my views on the topic importance of technological skill for the teachers. On the background of COVID-19 pandemic, which has shown tremendous disruption, discontinuation and change in the world, socially, economically and educationally. Millions of people have been suffered due to this pandemic and which force us to new challenges and to prepare ourselves for new normal. Today I am here to share my views on the topic of importance of technological skills for the teachers. Looking at last 6 months, it's not only teachers, professors or students, but every one of us heavily relies on the technology in our day-to-day life. Majority of the educators have been favored to online education. This is the transformation period to education from blackboard to digital screens. It is very sudden and swift changes happening into education system. No one has ever thought of these unexpected changes, and from classroom to digital one, and we all are experiencing the change. Teachers need to be ready to witness this change, these radical reforms into the education system. I'm sure teachers have a great role to play with the help of suitable technology to teach students online. Many of the schools, colleges and universities already have adopted online learning teaching systems, but still it is an initial phase of online teaching and learning applied into education. In future we find it may be very extensively used, as much as you can see in foreign countries how they are using. Teachers need to be very curious, constructive and compassionate towards the new teaching challenges, and their approach in education needs to be revisited, reimagined and redeveloped after the COVID-19 world. This change is inevitable into education. Faculties need to be very aware of future changes into learning and development, teaching and learning, and they need to be very skillful. They have to train themselves accordingly. The technology has become an integral part of teachers' life, and I'm sure teacher will take it very positively. Today, no longer acceptable for teachers to be technology illiterate. We have to be very much knowing about technology and its use. Today we use computers, laptops, tablets, PCs and mobiles. In addition to this, we have World Wide Web, scanners, CDs, USB drives, digital cameras, videos, TVs. Then we have many channels. We have online platforms like Byju's and all. There are too many tools we are seeing now, but still continuous improvement in teachers' skill is a more desirable, and we have to look at ahead of time. However, there are some basic technological skills that every teacher must possess and must be utilized during their lectures, their in day-to-day life. For example, Microsoft Word need to be explored. Excel processing skills, Windows Explorer, say PowerPoint presentation need to be utilized. The teachers need to do web navigation. They need to manage email management systems, online platforms like Zoom or TeamViewer or different platforms. Computer network knowledge, how to install, how to download the softwares and how to use those for teaching purpose. WebCT or Blackboard teaching skills, video conferencing, hosting webinars, storage devices need to be known, or different types of scanners, copying, pasting, sending to the student. E-content, e-books need to be understand. E-library need to be understood. They need to be a member of e-libraries. Educational copyright system they need to know. Cyber security laws they need to know before downloading any softwares or using of any website or any particular domain. Of course, social media is a very important part. Teachers needs to be associated with all social medias like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, so that they can utilize this platform as a knowledge sharing platform. Teachers need to be in continuous education, looking for online programs from various platforms like Udemy or Unacademy or Coursera or in FutureLearn. There are too many online platforms which offers digital transformation, online classrooms, teaching and short-term courses. So teachers need to be visited there and they need to update themselves regular basis. Eventually, because of the short of time, I would like to conclude with how technology will help education and educators. Simply, it makes teaching teachers better and better. It prepares our students for the future. Both teachers and students are the driving force of the educational system, and the students tell us what they need and teachers will definitely fulfill their needs. Technology is a future of education and we have to understand this, and we have to work it on rigorously day to day. Now we have to understand the importance of becoming techno-savvy, techno-expert. We have no other choice but to start using the best possible ways technology in our day-to-day life as well as in our teaching career. It is only you as a teacher, professor need to adopt the right approach and accept the new change into education system. It will help you to be in the system, or you will be out of the system. So it is like it will make you or it will break your career. So take it seriously, be a techno expert for your teaching career long ahead. Lastly, follow all the corona preventive measures like wearing masks, sanitizing yourself regularly, social distancing and health measures as per guidelines provided by Government of India and Government of Maharashtra, and tell your students, parents and people around to follow the guidelines given for the corona prevention. Here I would like to say stay safe, stay happy, and all the best for your teacher's career. Thank you very much, National Education Forum, for this lovely opportunity to connect the people and sharing my thoughts. Thank you once again.